guys, today I'm going to be Pearl because I want to make a video about being Pearl. So let's see if I get this. So I want to get the gun because the gun is literally back there. I know. Sorry for not recording at the first because I was scared. So let me try to get the gun, guys. I think I'm going to get it. I'm going to get it. Okay, I think it's somewhere in the basement maybe. Like I didn't check, but I'm very scared. So let's check it. Yay! No, it's not here. I forgot to say it. Yeah, wait, I found the gun. Okay. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! My hitbox saved me. Okay, let's see. And boom! I got the murder. I knew it. I told him. So that's gonna be fun. So let's see. Yay! Okay. And I won, obviously, cause why not? Okay, let's see what else we can find. Maybe yeah, some mansion too. I don't have a feeling about this. Like I don't know if mansion 2 is very good at I don't know what is gonna be mansion 2. So let's just see, guys. Let us see. I think it's not good that much because I don't know if it's going to be good. So let me see. What role will I get? And I got innocent. Hopefully I will win this time because I don't know if I'll win this time. Who's murdering this? Let's just wait for the round to start, obviously. I don't know why I'm too much happy. I'm gonna sit. I can't sit. Come on. Okay, fine. You know what? Let me see this. Wait, then where is the collectors? No. Oh my gosh. There is this new bundle. It's like limited time offer. Okay. Oh, we already won. I didn't even notice. Okay, now I know who's the sheriff. Let's see. Now we should go back to point the map. Where is the map, guys? Here. Come on, guys, choose your place. Anyways, I hate this game. Anyways, like literally, email this over your place. Oh my gosh, I don't know what to do. Please to choose my place. Anyways, now this is actually much better than okay. Let's see. I will anyways. So let's just see. Wait, who is it anyways? Who's murder? I think it probably be like the old girl. Wait, what? Oh my gosh, she is actually the murderer. Okay, I better go inside because it's much better to hide. Okay, in the meanwhile, I'll just collect coins. I like collecting coins, obviously. Okay, I thought that was the murder. I was too scared. I know what to do. Okay, wait, where is the murder? Actually, I don't know where is it. But let's just find it later. Okay, I'm so scared to go outside. I don't know why. Okay, let's just go. I wanna go outside anyways. I like outside. Let's see. I think why is the murder camping there? Maybe the gun is there. Maybe the gun is there. Okay, let me try to get it. Okay, wait. Where is it? I told you, where is it going? I'm scared. I'm gonna go inside. I'm so scared. Hopefully the murder's like gone because I need the gun. Okay, let's see. So I'm gonna collect coins because found the murder. Where is the stupid murder? Oh my gosh. Wait. Where is murder? Oh my god, my time is going to run out. I don't know how much my time is. But we're still going to search for the murder. Where is the stupid murder? There's like two weekends. Where are they anyways? Where are we? Where are they? Wait. I'm scared. I'm staying with the people because I don't want to die. Okay, girl, stop scaring me. Where are the others? Where are the others? Where are the others? Where is this? Okay.